Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best and most creative DIY kits on the market. Today, we're diving into what we call the best woodcraft kit birdhouse painting DIY, the Wooden Birdhouse Kit for Adults by Thick&Thin. This isn't just another craft project. It's a chance to reconnect with creativity, enjoy hands-on work, and bring a touch of charm to your garden. Let's start with what makes this kit special. The Thick&Thin DIY Birdhouse Kit is designed for adults who love crafting or simply want to spend some relaxing time building something beautiful. Every piece is made from real pine wood, sturdy, eco-friendly, and durable. You can feel the quality the moment you open the box. The smooth wooden surfaces are easy to paint and assemble, giving you both the freedom to personalize and the assurance of a solid finished product. Assembly is a breeze. Each wooden piece comes pre-drilled, so you won't need to use any power tools or risk splitting the wood. All you need is a simple screwdriver, and you can put the whole house together with just the included screws. It's designed to be safe, convenient, and beginner-friendly, no advanced woodworking experience required. Whether you're working on it alone or turning it into a fun family project, you'll enjoy the process as much as the result. Once the house is built, the real fun begins: painting and decorating. The kit includes 6 vibrant colors of water-based paint and 2 brushes, so you can design your birdhouse however you like. Go rustic with earthy tones, or get playful with bright patterns, the possibilities are endless. Because the paint is water-based and water-resistant, cleanup is simple and the finished piece holds up well outdoors. The birdhouse itself is thoughtfully designed. It measures about 6 inches deep, 6.5 inches wide, and 6.75 inches high. A cozy size for small garden birds. The entrance hole is 2.55 inches in diameter, perfect for species like finches, sparrows, or chickadees. It even features a little perch peg and a front feeding trough, making it easy for your feathered visitors to enjoy their new home. A hanging rope is included too, so you can display it anywhere in your yard, garden, or patio. What makes this kit stand out is the balance between creativity and function. You're not just painting a decorative item. You're building a real, usable birdhouse that can shelter birds season after season. It's an art project with a purpose, one that adds life and color to your outdoor space. The kit comes with 10 wooden pieces, 28 screws, 1 perch post, the hanging rope, 6 colors of paint, 2 brushes, and an easy-to-follow instruction guide. Everything is neatly packed, and the clear instructions make the process smooth from start to finish. It's an ideal gift for craft lovers, garden enthusiasts, or anyone who enjoys working with their hands. So, if you've been looking for a meaningful, relaxing weekend activity, or a thoughtful present for someone creative, the Thick&Thin Wooden DIY Birdhouse Kit might just be your best pick. Build it, paint it, hang it, and enjoy watching nature come to life right in your backyard. That's it for today's product critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video on the most unique and worthwhile DIY kits out there. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!